Good morning. My name is Ahmed. I'm a blind user. Today I will test Tails OS on Windows. How I install it? First of all, I follow up with the main website. I downloaded Paulina Etcher and use a USB to install it, like the website says. First of all, I'm running it right now from my USB. The first problem I can see here, according to accessibility as a blind user, from my perspective, it's I run this virtual machine or on Windows or on USB, whatever I want, but I don't know does the operating system fully loaded or not. We don't need anything fancy, but at least beep sound for only 1 second to let blind people know this working or not, this happened or not, did I have to still wait or what. So the way I used to know this is working or not, to spam the shortcut to enable the screen reader. This is not a good way. Most of the operating systems I used in Linux give us some of information, music, beep sound, anything to let us know the operating system is open, it's fully loaded, it's ready to use right now. Okay, first of all, let me open Orca screen reader.
Screen reader on. Frame. Start Tails push button. 16 push button left control.
First of all, I already run Tails for around a week right now, and I found a problem according to the screen reader. First of all, right now you see it's with a higher pitch. When I run it and another time it's with a low pitch. I don't know why, but it's not a fixed. It's not running as default. Sometimes the value change randomly. Okay, this is first of all, this is the login screen.
Tab. List with 3 items. Language. Left start Tails push button.
Okay.
Tab. List with 3 items. Language.
Okay, first of all, the language list. Let's try to change it.
Return. Panel. Arabic collapsed. Burmese. Catalan Arabic collapsed. Catalan Central Khmer Chinese. Simplified collapsed.
By the way, how I opened the screen reader, I pressed Super key or Windows if I have a Windows computer, and Alt and S. This combination opened the screen reader, Orca.
Chinese, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, English collapsed. Return. Language. Keyboard layout. Language.
Okay, I already chose English.
Keyboard layout.
Let's try to change the keyboard layout.
Return. Panel. Afghani. Akan, Albanian, Amharic, Arabic, Armenian, Asturian, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Belarusi, Belgian, Berber collapsed. Amharic, Asturian, Catalan, Catalan. Page down. Esperanto, Estonian, Spanish. Estonian, Asturian, Amharic.
There is a problem here, by the way, according to this select list. The main problem with this select list, it's like it doesn't tell me that I selected or not. It's telling me collapsed or expanded, but when I press it, it doesn't tell me. If I press tab,
search text, Amharic, tree search text, tab, Amharic, tab, search text,
for English.
Tab, Armenian expanded search text, written frame, list with tab, formats.
Look, I don't know what just happened. It's not reading these elements right.
Left keyboard layout. Language.
And when I tab through this, right now I use tab to move forward, shift tab to move backward, but doesn't tell me what I just choose. This is a language, but doesn't tell me did I choose English or whatever. I have to open this list again to do it. Okay, it must tell me what I just chose here. This is the first problem. Second problem, like I said, when I try to select any option inside this list, it doesn't tell me clear what is this option, how I selected, did I select it or not? It doesn't clear here.
Left start Tails push tab, keyboard tab, formats, tab, additional settings panel, add an additional setting push button.
Okay, we will try additional setting, but I tried, like I said before, I tried to do it a lot, but I don't know if I'm using it, if I selected right or wrong. This is work, did I choose English right or not? Did I choose my keyboard right or not? And the same goes for this.
Left list with 3 items. Formats. Left control.
Formats.
Tab. Additional settings panel.
Let's
Add an additional set. Left control. Return. Additional settings dialog. Left control. MAC address anonymization. Administration password.
Okay, let's set the administrator password
Return.
first.
Password text. Black circle.
Okay. This is fine
Password
for me.
text. Black circle frame. Additional settings panel. Add an.
Sometimes the screen reader stops immediately. By the way, this is happened with Orca. It's not for this specially operating system, but I had this problem with Orca before. But it happened more often on this.
Left out. Screen reader off.
I have to disable it.
Screen reader on.
Enable it again.
Frame. Additional settings panel. Left control. Tab. Shutdown push button. Tab. Start tails push button. Tab. List with 3 items. Formats.
Like I said, I have to scroll again from beginning and enter this list to make it work. Okay, like I said, I disabled completely the screen reader and enable it and start over again.
Tab. List with 1 item. Administration password. Tab. Additional settings panel. Additional settings dialog. Offline mode. MAC address anonymization. Offline mode.
Okay.
Unsafe browser. Network connection. Unsafe browser.
Let's try to maybe enable this also.
Return list with 2 items. Disable the unsafe browser default. Tab. Enable the unsafe browser.
I will not enable it, but I'm showing you how this list works.
Tab. Cancel push button.
In this list,
Stay
it's working
frame.
fine.
The left control tab. Shutdown push button. Tab. Start tails push button.
Let's start tails.
Return.
This is everything about the main menu and tails. I mean the first menu that appear when you running the OS.